In this series of videos, we're going to start looking at rounding, and we're going to look at rounding to decimal places, nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, and to significant figures. Now, significant figures and decimal places are the key factors behind National 5. So, to be able to understand how to even start this off, we need to begin by looking at place value. Now, you'll have done this back at primary school, no doubt, and you'll probably be familiar with the majority of these headings at the top. So we've got M standing for millions, we've got hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands, thousands, hundreds, tens, and most people will know this as units. Now, because the word units I'm going to be using as things like centimetres, kilometres, kilograms, and so on, I think that the word units can get mixed up quite a lot. So I'm going to change units that you're normally going to be used to seeing into O, which I'm going to stand for ones. Okay, we have our decimal point here, and then below we've got tenths, hundredths, and thousands. And whenever we're writing any numbers that are in this form, we tend to split things up into groups of 3. So from the decimal point upwards, we know that we've got ones, tens, and hundreds, followed by ones of thousands, tens of thousands, and hundreds of thousands before we move on to millions. Obviously, after millions, we have tens of millions, hundreds of millions, and then billions after that. Now we can write any number that we want in this kind of format. So I could say, let's have got 39428. I know is 39,428. Okay, and similarly I could have 1042791. So again, I split them into groups of 3 wherever I can. 1,042,791. So you notice that I am splitting things up into talking about hundreds, tens, and ones wherever possible to try and highlight the numbers with greater ease. Now, the decimal points after that, whenever we put an extra digits, any digits at the end, we just list the numbers one after the other. So if I went and put in a 2, 4 here, this now becomes 39,428.24. It might be tempting to say 24 here, but this is mathematically incorrect. And there are a lot of maths teachers and later on when you go to college, lecturers, that would have a big problem with you saying 0.24. So please get into the habit of listing the numbers individually. And similarly, if we've got 109 here, this is not 0.109. It's 1,042,791.109. That's as far as we need to go with that, okay? So that's a nice easy start for place value. Hopefully that's just been a nice little revision. And next video we're going to look at general rules of rounding. Okay, thanks.